Alright, so today I want to talk about my lawnmower lift. This particular one is an HTL 550, and it does say Cub Cadet on it, and 550 pounds. I'm sure Cub Cadet didn't make it, but I haven't seen these around anymore in this color, Cub Cadet color of course, but I've seen them in black. So different name, different paint color, pretty much the same thing. But what I like about it is that I can adjust the where the front wheels sit there in those brackets, you know, there and there. You can move those in or out accordingly, and so what we'll do is we'll move them in a little bit to raise this tractor and show you how that's done. This is sitting on my concrete, so what I'm going to do first, this is the handle for it. It's not a cane. And just like all it is a little jack. So let's tighten the jack, and I'm just gonna raise those things off the ground just a little bit. There we go. Now if we come down here, we can pull a pin and then slide it to whatever hole we deem necessary. Make sure that you do it the same on both sides so that you're not off balance when you lift these tractors up. Now, if you really want to, we could lower it back down all the way. Okay. And then we'll push or drive the tractor front tires onto there. Now the company did send along, there are straps that you're supposed to hook to here and strap over each tire to make sure that it doesn't fall off while you're using it. I promise not to sue them if I don't use it and then it falls off on me. So anyway, so now that we've got the tractor on there, we'll take our cane here, we'll make sure that this is tight, and then we'll start raising the tractor up. Now as we raise it up, there is actually like some safety stops. What'll happen is these will lock in at a certain point and prevent it from coming down all the way by accident if something fails. You'll see it's just a bottle jack pushing up on things. Alright, I want you to pay attention to, let's get the camera going, that black bar there. Eventually it's going to drop into place and that'll be the lock. There he goes. So now, if I were to want to lower this down, it won't go any further down than that because it's locked in place. So let's raise it all the way up. And it locks in the second position. And then it locks in the third position. So now we're looking at the lawn tractor at the maximum height, and we can climb under there and get some deck work done. Okay, so now in order to bring the tractor down from where you need it, you're gonna have to put it all the way up, all right, and then you step on here to release that mechanism. And that's when you release the bottle jack. Nice and easy. And don't let it come down too fast. Got to keep holding this bar down so you get past all of those safety locks. There we go. Now we're past the safety locks, and now it'll just drop all the way to the ground. And there it is, the HTL 550 mower lift, 550 pounds. All right, thanks for watching. All right, now for storing this away, I have one of these bungee cords with the ball on it, and I usually do this, and then I can pick this up, and you'll see it's got the wheels. This holds it in place, and I can go and wheel it around. I can bring it in the garage, lean it up against the wall, and make sure that the wheels don't roll up from under me. So that's how we do that. All right. Thanks again for watching.